So hi guys, so this is a very good truck company, and you can see here there's Apple, Fighted, Ink, and Lemon Express. So I can show you that we have this fridge, I think it's mini, and we have all these juices here. We have this. There's nothing in this freezer. There's only just ice. We have this cabinet where a different boy works here. There's a Fight ink. And have this whiteboard. And we have this cabinet where someone else works. And the final cabinet is where my dad works. My dad works here, and you can see this is where his room is. And it's very beautiful out here. It's a very beautiful view. There's lots of cars passing. And also there's a pool fight ink. There's lots of food that my dad is eating, and we have this, and we have these drones here. This beautiful thing. And also there's a cord, I don't know what that is. And so guys, you need to come here. It's a very good place, and you have to join my dad. It's very good, and it's a Lemon Express. And if you want to know where this is, you just have to ask my dad, and then he will show you. So guys, bye. Hi guys, so I'm Salima, and this is going to be a house tour. So this is my dad's books. He knows Arabic, and he does namaz, which is you put on the floor. I'll show you later. But we have this couch, and this table. My dad always go to Lagman house, and he always eats Lagman, which is noodles. We have this table, and we have another table. And we have this kitchen. This is the fridge. I'm not going to show you inside. Okay, we have this. This is where my mom cooks. The microwave. The oven, and we have the sink, and we have lots of juices, I guess. Also have these beautiful lights, and this is my favorite lights. And there's lights here. I can show you how these lights work. You just click that. That's my favorite lights. They look so beautiful. Because they shine good. And we have this clock. I almost missed this. The clock there. And we have some flowers. This is for my mom. A piano. My dad's phone. Yeah, I don't know, it's a lot. And we have this away. Doors. And this piano. We have, in here we have coats and shoes. Don't want to worry about that. Not this at all. Not that big. This is my room. I don't know, it's messy. Let's keep it. Hop work. I lots of stuff here. I have my water bottle. Here's my bed. It's a bunk bed, and I have this Pikachu hat. I got that Pikachu hat from Burger's. I mean, I can wear it if you want. So, and then you just push these buttons. You push these balls inside of these